guys think my neighborhood's gonna be weirded out if I extend this thing? I think it extends like 1.5 meters. It's gonna give me that 360 view. Hold on. See if this kind of looks like a 360 camera. We're gonna vlog like this. Would you guys be weirded out if you looked out your window and you saw some dude with a stick that was like 1.5 meters away from him and he's vlogging, talking to the camera? Yeah, this is crazy. Actually, it's getting my hand tired because it's a little front heavy, but it does the trick. I'm wondering if I should take this to Florida this weekend. All right, that's enough. Let's bring it back. Man, you can get some really cool angles with this. This is the regular extension rod that comes with the Action combo. I didn't sell it when I had the Action 5, so I'm using it right now with the Action 6 temporarily because, like I said, I ordered the mini extension rod. It was defective. The mount wasn't clipping the camera in, so I sent that right back. I just checked tracking, and I'm supposed to get that one tomorrow. That's like my go-to handle for the Action 6. Lately, I've just been hand-holding it like this. I'll be getting that tomorrow. This one extends to 1.5 meters though, so if you wanted to get that like super long shot I just showed you, you can definitely get that with this. This is cool for like adventuring and stuff like that. But the only downside to this one is that it doesn't have the little tripod legs, and to me that is very important because I like to do like the talk head videos, and if I ever just want to sit this down, I can't because it doesn't have the little tripod. I went on a little walk there to get the heart rate moving. Whew. Oh, feels good. Guys, oh, I forgot to tell you, today I actually was able to pull off 30 push-ups in one set, which was awesome. Tomorrow will be a week since I started push-ups. Like I said, the first day I was trying to go for 50 every day. I could only do 40 the first day. I did 20 in the morning, 20 at night, and then the second day I did 20 only, and then the third, fourth, fifth day I only did 10 each day because I was so sore. Then I bumped it back up to 20, and then today I did 30 push-ups so far, and I'll be able to do another hopefully 20 or 30 tonight. I feel pretty good. The soreness is still there, but it's like my muscles have warmed up now throughout the week, so I'm actually able to, like, I feel the pain, but I'm actually able to move my arms a lot better. One bad note though is that last night I ended up sleeping like with too many pillows, like with my head up, and I already edit all day. I have this bad back pain on the top, like top back of my neck or whatever, and I can't shift my body this way. It like hurts to like turn my head. Like if I turn it right there, I feel that sharp pain right there. So I put some icy hot in it. Feels a little bit better. I'm trying to, keep moving. I'm watching what I'm eating. I am going to partake in some drinks this week because tomorrow is actually my 15th anniversary. So tonight, the kids go over to my in-laws. That's what happens every Tuesday. And me and my wife get to go out on a date. So it's gonna be a packed week. Taking my wife out on a date tonight. Tomorrow, we're gonna probably go on another date for anniversary, have some fun, all that stuff. Then Friday, we're actually gonna take my daughter for her birthday date because we do this with all of our kids. When it's their birthday, we take them out on a mom-dad birthday date, and they get to pick wherever they want to go. And then typically we'll go like play arcades or go to like some like bowling or something like that. We do some cool activity or something for them, just with mom and dad. So it's a little bit more like one-on-one, and it's something that I got to give credit to my wife because she's the one that thought about this. I'm not that good at thinking about these things. She kind of keeps me on check with my daddy skills and stuff like that. So I'm grateful for that. So babe, if you watch this vlog, thank you so much. I love you and happy 15th anniversary. But anyways, I'm gonna head inside. It's getting a little cold outside, but I was able to get a walk in, which was really nice. I hope that we get more of this weather because I want to start moving more. And I don't have a lot of good winter gear to be outside walking. I know a lot of my neighbors like walk out here all the time, even when it's snowing. I'm not that kind of guy. I'm like, I'll do fall weather, maybe like 45 degrees if I'm walking, but I'm not gonna go out there when it's like lower than that. I just hate the cold. Anyways, this vlog was just a little checkup, a little update. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Thanks for following up. Action 6, 8K, 24 frames per second. We're using the D-Log official LUT with a little bit of a color grade in here from DaVinci. If you guys like it, let me know in the comments. Maybe I'll make a tutorial on it or whatever. But yeah, take it easy, yo.